Hello everyone, welcome back to Mixy Trixie's healthy and tasty recipes. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make a delicious and healthy chutney using rich gourd peels. Rich gourd, also known as turai or luffa, is a nutritious vegetable that is often used in Indian cuisine. However, most of us tend to discard the peels without realizing their potential. In this recipe, we will be using rich gourd peels to create a flavorful and tangy chutney that can be enjoyed with rice, dosa, or even as a spread for sandwiches. Join us, we take you through the step-by-step process of preparing the rich gourd peel chutney. We will be using a combination of spices and ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. So, if you are looking for a unique and tasty chutney recipe to add to your dishes, make sure to watch this video till the end. First, peel the rich gourds. Then heat the pan with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and add the rich gourd peels. Cook them well. Next, dry roast a tablespoon of coriander seeds and cumin. After that, dry roast 10 to 15 dry chilies. Then blend the dry roasted ingredients with a half tablespoon of salt in it. Add the oil fried rich gourd peels and blend again. Next, take another pan, oil fry curry leaves and a tablespoon of mustard seeds, cumin, vignamingo or black gram and chickpea or chana dal. Add the blended paste, mix well, that's it. Rich gourd peel chutney is ready to serve. Not only is this chutney a great way to reduce food waste, but it is also packed with vitamins and minerals. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such delicious recipes and cooking tips. Let's get started on this rich gourd peel chutney adventure together. Happy cooking and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.